Hi viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits daily video series. Myself Brijesh Bhatia here, senior analyst and editor at Equity Master. So in this video we'll be discussing one important chart all investors should look at before exiting the trades. See, entering the trade is very much easier part because you think that the stock is very much positive or all the fundamentals are very much good for the company, but you don't know when to book the profits. And one chart I will be sharing in this video on Nifty, where an investor should always keep an eye before exiting their portfolio, or their, I would say, they trimming the portfolios. Uh, if you look at the chart over here, the Nifty weekly chart, and this is basically the Heikin-Ashi chart. And if you look at the Heikin-Ashi chart, if you are looking the momentum right from May, this chart is trending on a bullish trend trajectory. Why? Why I'm saying this is trending on a bullish strategy? Because if you look at the candles over here, basically Heikin-Ashi are modified candlestick, which are popular tool into the markets. And in case you wish to learn more about Heikin-Ashi, there are a number of videos where you can look at. But just to give a small introduction on Heikin-Ashi, the candles where you find the blue, they have open and low equal to same, which is sign of a bullish candle. The red or where the open and high are same are known as the bearish candle in Heikin-Ashi, and where you see a smaller body and the shadow or the wings on the both side with the uptake and downtake, they are basically known as doji. So if you look at the screen, I have marked the three candles for you so that it will be easier for you to understand the chart now. So if you look at the right from May to November or to January, now we are into the bullish trend now. And do you know how much since May this chart is trending and giving me returns? It's approximate around 59%. Yes, 59% it is into the sign of bullish momentum. And till you don't find this any bearish candle, okay, on the charts, stay on to the long side. And for an investor, basically the weekly are slightly on a bigger time frame charts, which helps you to indicate do you need to reduce your positions or not. But yes, this chart is trending very much bullish, and you don't need to trim your position. Still it is showing a sign of bearish. Okay, there could be early sign of bearish momentum which we have seen previous momentum, but for what I use is still the bearish candle is formed and the price in the next week are not breaking the previous bearish Heikin-Ashi candle, I would stay on to the long sides. And this is that, and that's the first indication that markets are turning their tide, because on a weekly scale turning the tides generally take times, and you have to give the 2 to 4% on the higher side, which generally markets give a correction and then see an uptake momentum. So still, even if you get the recent momentum, we have gone from 14,600 and plus level to 14,250, back to the new all-time high of 14,753. Similarly, we have seen a momentum right from 13,600 to 13,250, 13,300, and back to above 14,000 level to all-time highs. So such kind of hiccups, an investor generally feels a panic and thinks of sitting on the cash. But this chart will really help you to take a decision on trimming onto the positions or no, or holding on to the positions. And this is not the first instance I'm saying you. If you look at right from 2016, I've taken a 5 years of data for you, so that you can understand the momentum or the sign which such kind of charts give you as an investor. And if you look at right from 2016, we have seen a huge rally momentum coming up. There could be some hiccups into the negative side where you could trip position, and these negative sides are not a couple of percent or 4%. They are generally 8 to 10%. And when index falls 8 to 10%, just think what your stock can do. So generally stocks have a tendency of falling. If there are mid caps, they generally fall 1:4, 1:5, which means that Nifty is falling 10%. Generally, small caps or mid caps fall around 14-15%. So it depends upon stock to stock. But still, if you look at the average momentum, such is the scenario. So till you don't find such kind of bearish momentum on the charts, I would suggest don't trim your position. and this is very much important for an investors to keep a watch. And this is, I just included a Nifty. You can look at on the stocks which you are holding, whether those stocks are giving a sign of indications on negative side or not. So you can trend as a trader. Yes, there could be small ups and swings, downswings, which traders would be interested in trading. But as an investor, exiting at right time, trailing the trades into the huge profits is also a bigger part of your investment portfolio. So I would suggest look at this chart every time you think that these markets have run up, I should trim my positions. No, keep a watch on this chart. When it turns the tide, see, you have to shed out 2 to 4% on the higher side. But yes, what if markets tend to the higher? So I would suggest keep a watch on this chart and try to ride your positions as much as you can into the profits. So that's all. In case you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do click a subscription button and click on the bell icon to receive a notifications. And do not forget to comment on the video, so that in case it really help us to motivate to bring up such kind of interesting charts, interesting subjects which generally our well wishers are posting on into a comment section, and it really helps us. So signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters Fast Profits Daily and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.